For practice 3, we're going to be looking at the different components of fitness. So we're going to break it down. This first one, we're going to be looking at kind of defining what fitness is. And then each successive one after that, we're going to be looking at those components of fitness in a little bit more specific detail. So before we begin, what is your definition of fitness? You may be Googling it right now, which is not a bad place to start, really, but if you look at the definition online, this is the condition of being physically fit and healthy. I think that's kind of a lame definition, if you ask me, because they're using the term in the definition. If you look at the second definition, the quality of being suitable to fulfill a particular task. We're starting to get there, but I still don't like that. So, right, fitness needs to be measurable. And what are we measuring? Right, we can measure heart rate, we can measure VO2 max, we can measure range of motion and flexibility, we can measure 1 rep max. So, and each one of those are assessing a different component of fitness. So what are those components of fitness? So let's define fitness a little bit more specifically. When we talk about fitness, there's really two major types of fitness. We have the health-related fitness and we have skill-related fitness. And really we need to develop the health-related fitness before we can really excel at the skill-related fitness. So for practice 3, we're going to be focusing a little bit more on the details of the health components of fitness, but throughout the rest of the semester, we're going to be focusing on those kind of specific aspects of skill and how we can target that through skill development. So if we look at health-related components of fitness, we begin by, I'm going to starting at the cardiorespiratory endurance. Notice I said cardiorespiratory because we're referring to the heart and the lung and how they function together. Really kind of over time is when we talk about endurance. So we kind of think of this as aerobic fitness as well with oxygen. Some sources combine muscular endurance and muscular strength, but choose to separate them here because muscular endurance is kind of that time under load, and muscular strength is maybe how much the muscle can move at one point. We can also look at flexibility, range of motion, and body composition. That is health-related components of fitness. And then we have skill-related components of fitness. So we think of maybe more of these as that kind of competitive or maybe even team sport types of activities. So we think about speed, power, agility, quickness, sometimes that's called reaction time, coordination, and balance. So again, we'll be looking at these different components or how we can develop these. In this lecture, we're going to focus more on the health, but again, throughout the semester, we're going to be looking more at these.